Thank you, Madam Chairman and Senior Vice Chairperson. May I just make an opening statement? Your Honors, the delegation of the Office of the President appears before this committee to present, explain, and above all, seek the committee members' support for the proposed budget of the Office of the President for fiscal year 2026. The Office of the President does not want to merely comply with the legal requirements of presenting our proposed budget before a co-equal branch. More importantly, the OP wants to manifest the President's commitment to transparency and accountability that is required of all government offices. These are necessary elements in upholding the country's national interests, as well as in promoting the welfare of our people. As public office is a public trust, all of us must be ready to accept accountability and responsibility over our actions and programs. It has always been the President's view that our inter-branch relationship must be anchored on the principle that governance will be significantly improved through cooperation and support, and that the said relationship must be at all times manifested through inter-branch courtesy and respect, while still observing the separation and balance of powers enshrined in our Constitution. Before I present the highlights of our proposed budget, let me just point out that, as in the previous years, and similar to other government offices, we have crafted this proposed budget within the parameters and process set by the Department of Budget and Management and the pertinent laws. For fiscal year 2026, the Office of the President requests a budget of 27,362,355,000 to perform its mandate for the people. This amount, if I may point out, is comprised of two significant budgetary portions. That is, the portion for the regular OP programs, activities, and projects, and the other portion being for the hosting of the Philippines of the 2026 ASEAN summits and related meetings. It can be noted in the detailed presentation of our budget proposal later on that the proposed budget for the regular OP PAPs is 6.82% lower than our proposal last year, which is consistent with the President's directive to all government agencies to be always mindful of the need to provide quality services for the people with less financial requirement in support of the Bagong Pilipinas brand of governance. Your Honors, despite this budget proposal being reduced, we assure the Congress that it will not affect the delivery of the services of the President to the people. The OP will still sufficiently support the implementation of its PAPs, ensuring that all are implementation ready and shall be completed within the validity of the appropriation law in accordance with the cost-based budgeting policy. The President will still be able to accommodate the logistical requirements of honoring invitations from foreign leaders to visit their countries to convey our collective aspirations through effective personal diplomacy. Your Honors, a large portion of our submission is the budget for our country's hosting of the ASEAN summits and related meetings in 2026, which is about 64.33% of the OP budget proposal for fiscal year 2026. We note that while the amount is lodged with the OP, about 38% of this will be released to other offices as their budgetary support for their respective participations in our country's hosting. We are confident that the Philippine chairship of ASEAN 2026 will further improve our standing as a founding member of the ASEAN and will strengthen our political and economic ties with the community and its dialogue partners. As we welcome various regional and world leaders to our country in 2026, our chairship will build on the achievements of previous hostings towards peace, cooperation, shared progress, and prosperity. The country's hosting is likewise most opportune as the ASEAN will be celebrating the 50 years of the ASEAN Treaty of Amity and Cooperation, which embodies universal principles of peaceful coexistence and friendly cooperation among the ASEAN member states. Thank you, Your Honors.
Thank you.